Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an Etsy listing. If you want to start selling on Etsy but don't have a shop yet, here's a clear, step-by-step guide to get you set up quickly. First, go to your browser, search for Etsy, and sign up. Once you're done, scroll down and click on Sell on Etsy. You may need to scroll to find it. Then hit Get Started. Sign in or create an account using your email, set a password, and continue. Once you're in, you'll be asked a few questions. Go ahead and fill them out, but if you're short on time, you can skip them, since they don't affect your setup. Next, click Start Your Shop. You'll begin with shop preferences. Choose your language, country, and currency. This should match where you're based and how you want to operate your store. Click Save and Continue.
When it's time to name your shop, pick something simple and relevant to your products. If your name is already taken, just adjust it slightly by adding a word like shop or store until it becomes available. Don't overthink this. You can refine your branding later. Now you'll set up how you get paid. Select your country and choose whether you're an individual or a business. Most beginners will choose individual. Then fill in your personal details, like your name, address, and required identification information. Once that's done, connect your bank account. This is how Etsy will send you your earnings. You can usually connect it instantly by logging into your bank, or you can enter your details manually. Next, you'll verify your identity. This involves uploading a photo of your ID and taking a quick selfie. It's a simple step that helps secure your account and keep the platform safe.
After verification, you'll move on to billing. Etsy requires a one-time setup fee to open your shop. Enter your payment details, approve the charge, and continue. You may see an optional subscription offer. This is not required, so you can skip it if you want. The final step is setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can choose to receive a code via text, phone call, or an authenticator app. Once you confirm this, your shop is officially open. At this point, your Etsy store is live and ready for you to start adding products. Just remember, setting up the shop is only the beginning. Your success will depend on the quality of your listings, especially your photos, titles, and keywords. And that's it. You've successfully created an Etsy listing.
If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.